Today's SMT machines place over 100,000 parts per hour with plus or minus 25 micron accuracy. But orientation errors still account for 20% of PCB assembly defects. After analyzing more than 12,500 assemblies, here are the 3 design mistakes that turn prototypes into scrap. Flipped capacitors and diodes cause 35% of early prototype failures. Tantalum capacitors can fail at just 1 to 1.5 volts reverse bias. If polarity isn't marked clearly in your CAD, the SMT machine will solder it perfectly in the wrong direction. QFN and QFP pin 1 mismatches show up in about 1 in 8 prototype builds. IPC and IEC standards don't always agree on pin 1, and CAD libraries inherit the confusion. The SMT machine will place the package with flawless precision, rotated 90 degrees. Connectors are a classic trap. USB and board-to-board parts often look symmetrical in CAD. If the footprint pinout is flipped, the machine will solder it exactly as designed, and nothing will work when you plug it in. These mistakes are 100% design controlled. Even the most advanced SMT line can't correct a bad footprint. Fix them early and you eliminate 20% of assembly failures. In Part 2, we'll cover the hidden 60 to 90% of defects caused by solder paste and layout rules.